7 closing costs and a general overview to help you understand what to expect. Property taxes and insurance. Depending on the time of the year and your loan terms, you may need to prepay a portion of your property taxes, insurance premiums at closing. These amounts are deposited into a trust account to ensure any ongoing coverage and timely payments. Closing costs are a very important consideration when buying a home. While they can be based on factors such as location and loan type, it's generally recommended to budget between 2 to 5% of a home's purchase price. Working closely with your lender and your qualified realtor will help find a much more accurate assessment tailored to your specific situation. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.